What do you want to grow today?
Yeah, we didn't.
Astronaut? Surgeon?
Next month there actually is.
Yeah, I think astronaut would be cool.
Johnny usually knows that. Johnny usually knows.
I agree. I think that's a great idea. I think it can try a lot of things.
Take care.
Yeah, science. Yeah, science is really important. And so mathematics is really important, so you can learn about science. It's very important.
Yeah.
What about science?
Gonna learn some science.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, that's really important.
Science is fun to learn.
I always loved
You
science.
can do all kinds of crazy stuff with science.
I never wanted to be a cop or an army guy like the other kids, like the other boys. I wanted to be a scientist or an explorer when I was a little boy. I was always thinking about exploring space, going to other planets, seeing what's there. I just thought that was so cool. Shooting people just seemed so boring by comparison. I always wanted to be a scientist. Yeah, I wanted to be a scientist. So I kind of am. A lot of my work is kind of like being a scientist. Good. Well, you know, it's really, really hard and time-consuming to be a parent, but you know, some kids are just wonderful. I just really like kids. They're just interesting people.
I will decide twins.
Oh, you're thinking you might want to have twins. Well, the important thing to remember is when you become a teenager, make sure you really give your mom the hardest time you can.
Thanks.
Make her life miserable and
Totally miserable.
Going to school while I lost the
oh, when you lost a tooth, you didn't like going to school.
No, she's really afraid of losing her teeth.
Oh. Well, but you know, it's good to lose your baby teeth so the adult teeth can grow in. It's actually kind of important. If they didn't come out, that would be kind of bad, actually. You'd have to go to the dentist if they didn't come out.
But I always often brush my teeth every day.
You do a very good job brushing
That's good.
your teeth.
I drink too much coffee and red wine, so I'm like bleaching my teeth now.
Your teeth look kind of weird.
Thanks.
What?
I got a little.
Ah,
gap in
they
the
say
front.
the cutest things, huh?
Yeah. Well, you know,
Rats.
there's this filmmaker named Les Blank, and he made a movie called Gap Tooth Women. She loved Gap Tooth Women.
Oh, like Niecy Nash.
Like, well, this was when he made it. Like, I think Sybil Shepherd was a big model star, and he interviewed her. And
It's right here.
Gap Tooth Women. It's probably on YouTube. It's probably in public domain.
Wait, actually.
So,
You only get set number 1 and
I guess
set
we're
number
this way.
2
set number 1 and set number 2 of what?
of teeth.
Oh, yeah.
You get 2 sets.
Yeah,
Yep,
yeah.
and that's all you get.
Right. Once your adult teeth came in,
So
come
if
in,
you
be sure
don't
and
take
really
care of
good care
those.
them. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna get home. I have to edit
Hey,
some
honey.
footage,
Should we head home?
and you know, it's gonna start to get late. You're probably gonna want dinner in the not too distant.
Oh, she
sure.
gorged herself on pizza.
Oh, okay.
I want to spend the night at Uncle Ryan's.
Well, let's find out if Uncle Raya is still sick or not.
Oh, yeah. You don't want to be there.
It's
someplace.
Uncle Noah.
Oh, Uncle Noah's sick?
Noah's sick, so they didn't get to go to the
Aww.
So they live together.
Well,
Ryan
maybe
and
we'll
Noah?
check on them on the way home. Okay? Let's go.